Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. I'm Pinay Lifter. For today po, I want to show you guys how I do my workout. But it's not like routine workout because I'm not doing a workout like every day. As long as I can, as long as I can listen myself na I'm okay. I'm okay to do this. Then nag-workout po ako. And then it's because I'm not doing routine workout. Also, it's because of my condition that sometimes I suddenly got tired of nowhere. So before doing that workout, I wanted to show you guys my my outfit. So let's go. So hello guys, ito po yung outfit ko. So ito yung Racer, I call this Racer bag or sport bra. So hello guys. So ito po yung outfit ko for today. So first, itong Racer bag, I bought this in the eBay that worth $17 only. And then this one also, I bought this in eBay. They are not together, guys. I bought this separately. I got two and I got two. So, and I forgot how much is this. This is Fila brand and this one no brand. It's just a fashion. And I got my socks, Puma brand, and also my shoes is Skechers that I bought in the Kohl's. So, simple lang po. Very simple lang po yung outfit ko for today. So, yung una pong gagawin ko I do this one for my tummy and also for my arms. This is a very easy and I know everybody can do it. So sometimes I do it for 20 times. Before, hindi ko po siya naaabot, but now it's very easy for me and I can bend also. Like that. And the second one, I do like do this one. I do this every 20 times. Not very easy. And for my back, I do this one. This is 20 times also. And also, if you have arms fats, just do like this with jump. If you can, do this one. Set. This is good for lungs exercise since I get easy to get tired. I did really doing this even I'm just in the bed, sitting in the chair, sitting in the carpet. I always do this for my lungs. Swimming is the best exercise for your lungs to make it more healthy. You know, when I was in Philippines, my doctor suggests me to do this exercise every day. I do this only for 20 times each. I don't have a yoga mat since some of my stuff is still in Washington, so let's do this. So I just do it this way, like this. Yep. Now, next, at least 2 minutes, it's fine. And I do this one. Hello guys, I hope you really like it, my simple exercise. It's not that hard, but it's really good than you just sitting around the house and nothing to do, you know. So thank you for watching and have a nice day everyone.